This right here is the tour of the Dumaine Street pedestrian road crossing in New Orleans, Louisiana. So right here is the first signal. It has a Sage Strand base, which is open. It got a lot of stickers on it. The emergency information. Someone had to ruin it. Owned by the New Orleans Public Belt Railroad. A lot of people also put stickers on the track signs that are here, I believe are some traffic lights, don't know the model, and lights, and on top of this signal is a GS Type 2 eval. Right here is the other signal. Right here is the base. The emergency information, the traffic lights on this thing, and it does not have a bell.